Well, those riders weren't the only ones having some fun out in the cold weather today, from blowing bubbles to taking the time to experiment with the temperatures well below freezing. It looks like everybody was properly dressed, warm, and Jason getting a little science on with the classic, below zero, put boiling water, throw it up in the air. Yeah, pretty easy for that to happen today.
I loved it, Sam, but I lasted about 60 seconds yesterday out there at 25, below zero for a wind chill at the beach. I'm good.
You're there, take a picture, run back to the car.
Bucket list is done. It's over. Let's take a look at what happened. Just a remarkable situation in Maine the last 24 hours. Steam devils, if you don't know what those are, go over to the Facebook page, mine, or go to newscentermaine.com. Got a picture up there of one from Jason Ritchie up in Swans Island. 61 wind chill in Frenchville, Maine. That's, give or take about the coldest that we've had from the automated measurements. Frost quakes in northern Maine, so the water underground expanding, and it sounds like an earthquake. Felt like one for a lot of people. And tree explosions in Hancock County. So you have the water in the tree, in a healthy oak tree or sap, that it explodes. And there were power outages from power lines coming down. So just a wild 24 hours so far. We're not done yet. It's still quite cold tonight. Pets, people, and pipes, a frostbite threat in the forecast still, but much warmer tomorrow by afternoon. Right now, still have until 7 o'clock. Wind chill warnings up, blizzard warnings up. These are going to go away tonight. They will not be as bad. However, you do see there are wind chill advisories here down east and northern Maine. Not as bad, dropping some warnings, switching over to advisories as the sky is clear across Maine. I don't expect a lot in the way of snow. Currently, it's cold. If you're headed out for dinner, obviously bundle up. I don't need to tell you that at this point. You know what's here. Wind chills are not in the negative 50 to 60 range. They're more in the single digit to negative 20 degree range. So it's manageable. It's clear. Now, if you don't like cold and you're a cold weather wimp like me, here's your saving grace. This warm front is going to advance, and we'll get to the warm sector. That won't be until tonight, tomorrow, okay? But for now, you see the wind going from northwest tonight to southwest. That's the key. Southwesterly breeze. Now, I'm not going to call it a warm day necessarily tomorrow, but it certainly is going to feel a lot better if you don't like this brutal cold. Hour by hour chills into tonight and your Saturday night. Still going to go sub-zero. We're not breaking any records tonight. Okay, we did that already last night. Not happening tonight. And notice by the morning, those temps are rebounding. So the hour by hour forecast, clouds around tonight. The sky is going to cloud up a bunch tomorrow, so pick your poison. We get clouds around tomorrow and a few snowflakes up north. We are not going to have it be as cold. For the Mariners, gale warning is still up for your Sunday. Wind going southwest instead of northwest, gusting to 30 knots. And inland, we're getting to 32. What a jump from today to 39 Monday. Tuesday, 30. Some showers. Wednesday, sunny. How about 40s for 3 consecutive days in February? Almost unheard of. And then for the coast, not quite 50, but this is kind of ridiculous. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 7 days are going to be in the 40s in February. Now, I'm not going to cancel winter because it's February in Maine. And also, there is some wintry precip on the board there. I have to keep a close eye on it. But right now, if I had to make the forecast now and tell you, I would say doesn't look like a lot of snow. So if you like the cold, I would say enjoy it now.
All right. Yeah. Jason, those 40-degree days will feel like summer after the past couple.
They will after negative 61 wind chill this morning in Frenchville.
Absolutely. All right, Jason. Thank you.